Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Finn's Family Farm. Hopefully my microphone is working. We're going to do some quail checking. Make sure these quails are all good. Sorry for that squeaking door. It looks like all the quails are doing good. I need to collect some eggs, looks like. They got food. They need some more water. This one down here on the bottom, you can't really see. There you go. He's got food and water. There's a fan right here that I'm going to turn on. Only because it gets so hot in here. And I'm going to leave this door open as well. So we're going to go check on the chickens. Well, we've had some chickens all of a sudden just die on us. Don't know what happened. One day they was good, and the next few minutes they were dead. So looks like I still have the 6 in here, and I've got 9 American breast chickens, which is a dual purpose chicken. The garden's gone. But back to the chickens. I have 9 dual purpose chickens, like I said. We're gonna raise for eggs to eat, and we're gonna raise for eggs to hatch. And then the eggs that we hatch, we will raise them as for meat. So we're gonna go in here and check on them and see how they're doing. So give me a second, guys. Here is the meat bird, or the American breast, excuse me. As you see, they're a little skittish. But American breast. Now we bought the eggs for these birds, and we hatched them out ourselves. As you see, this one right here that has a black spots, we will actually dispatch him because due to the American breast, they're all white. And you see, this one here doesn't have blue feet, so we will dispatch that one as well. They're supposed to be pure white with blue feet, as you see right there. But since we're in here, looks like they're good with water. They might need a little bit of food back in their bucket. Their food bucket is right here. They stick their little heads in here and they get the food, which I need to fill that up. So, but that's them. It looks like we're going to have 1, and there's 3 behind the bucket. So we'll have about 4 roosters. There they are right there. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. The 4th one is right behind the bucket right there. So we're going to have 4 roosters, but we're going to remove the roosters except for maybe 1. The other rooster we will put somewhere else. I don't need 4 roosters, so 3 of them we will dispatch along with that hen right there. Once they get bigger, they're going to be a beautiful bird. So let's go check on the goats. All right, guys. So let's go check on the goats. See what they're up to. Let's get them some little sweet feed. them a little snack. They love their snacks. I can't get them to eat grapes. They refuse to eat grapes. So we're gonna give them a little bit of sweet feed. So let's go do that. I also need to clean. I need to clean the goat house. I need to clean the quails. And I need to clean the chicken coop. I got to finish I've got to haul some debris away also. Yeah, I gotta clean their trough. So I'm gonna go put the sweet feed in the trough that's in their goat house. So I will turn the camera around so y'all can see it. So give me a second, guys. Okay, so here's the babies. They're getting big. They still spoiled. They're no longer on bottles. We took them off the bottles. That's their hay rack that I made. I have a pallet. That's the hay rack that I made from using a pallet. Here's their small trough that stays in here. They let me. Come on, guys. Y'all gotta let me do this now. They don't like sharing. So these two, the sisters, are called dappled goats because they have spots. These two sisters here are Nubian boar mix, so they're half dairy and half meat. Midnight here, the black one, is full Nubian. So we're gonna need to put some more hay in here. But this is their area now. I took the pallet out that was right here and got some hay down, which you see I need to clean up and put some fresh bedding down for them. So now, while they're eating, I need to clean their trough. I need to give them fresh water. So, but we did go ahead and we put up a electrical fence because they kept getting out. So there's a wire that goes all the way around the electrical fence. And Finn over there playing, rolling in the dirt, or grass, I'm sorry. But he's the boss, so. But it goes all the way around. They've hit it a few times, and now they know to stay away from the fence. There's a camera over here that I'm going to move today. It's right there, that white camera on the post there. I'm going to move it because I want to be able to see what they do inside the goat house. Sitting here, see, there's the camera. Sitting here, that's what I see. I could zoom in, but I still can't see inside. So I want to put the camera over there because this camera here turns all the way around. So I could turn the camera and put it inside the goat house and see what they're doing in there. Just something else I could watch them, you know, that way if I'm at work or if I'm away from the house, I could watch them and see what they're doing. So let's go over there and check on the chickens. So hang on. All right. I forgot that my wife bought some grapes and tomatoes for her. But as long as y'all don't tell her, she won't know until she watches this video. So, I am going to feed them some grapes and tomatoes. So as y'all's noticed, we're missing 3 of our beautiful birds. We had 3 more white ones. They were our sweet ones that we could pick up and hold. But we lost those 3 due to something. Couldn't find nothing in the chicken area that would kill them or hurt them. So we don't know if they just died of old age or if they got too hot for them, but they have plenty of shade and they have a fan that blows on them. But yeah, we just don't know what happened. That one minute they was good and the next minute they was gone. So now we have these chickens here, and then we have the other chickens that I showed y'all earlier, those American breast ones. So, but yeah, we lost Chocobo, we lost Old Yeller, and we lost Spot. That white one you see there, that's Bobby. They're all healthy, but eventually, sometime, we'll get some more. So, let me go get the ladder, my tools. Let's take that camera down and move it. Oh, and I got something else I need to tell y'all about. We've actually hatched out some more baby quails. They're now a couple weeks old. They're inside my garage, the smaller brooder. Finn wants to follow me. That's fine though. And I will show y'all. They're a few weeks old, probably I might say about 3 weeks old. So I'll show you all the new quails that we have hatched out. Here lately, we've been hatching out some beautiful birds. It's kind of like you don't want to kill the beautiful ones, but then you don't want to keep the ugly ones. And some of these will go out in the yard in the quail tractor that I built and made. I would show the videos on that, but for some reason, we can't upload them on the computer for some reason. So once I'm able to upload them on the computer, I will show y'all the quail tractor, which is this right over there, that little box right there. It's about 5 feet long and 12 inches wide and 17 inches tall, or 15 inches tall. So we put those in there and we put them all in the yard right here with the quail tractor, and they'll eat up the grass and bugs and things like that. So I'm going to go get my I need to go get my drill. So hang on, guys. Let me get all my stuff and I'll get back with you. All right, guys. Got the drill. Now I need to go find my ladder. So we need the ladder and take that camera down. The goats are wanting me, but they'll be okay for now. So let's put the drill down for a minute so I can get the ladder out. Because, sorry, Mr. Birdie, or Mrs. Birdie, didn't mean to scare you off your nest. So let's put you right there. Now right up top here is the solar panel. Y'all can't see it, but it's right there. And there is the camera. Guys, very nice camera. I like it. Does a lot of work. Does very good stuff. I found it on Amazon. I don't remember the name of it, but I found it on Amazon. That's all I can tell you. is cause a little electrical thing with this fence here, because it is against electrical wire, and I don't want to touch it and get shot. So, some of y'all might be thinking it's funny and all, especially this one. Nasty goats, they'll tell you. Look at roots. Do it. Stop. What is it? Y'all know that. Y'all know how bad that hurts. Let's do it. No, I wouldn't. They've learned. Not all of them, though. Dusk, the brown one, still has not learned. Get on the edge of the roof. Inside and rest for a little bit because it's a little warm out here. That's probably not where I need to go. Hey guys, so if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button. That way you get notified when we make our videos. And this is Finn. Y'all have a good day.